I am angry at you guys. Why am I angry at you? Because you can be taught, inspired, motivated by others, but the actions must come from you. मैं आपको मोटिवेट कर सकता हूँ, चीजों को बता सकता हूँ कि कैसे करना है. कोई भी पर्सन हो आपको बता सकता है कि चीजों को इस तरीके से एग्जीक्यूट करना है, ये प्रोसेस होना चाहिए, और वो मोटिवेट भी कर सकता है, इंस्पायर कर सकता है, बट काम तो आपको ही करना पड़ेगा ना. बट यू आर नॉट डूइंग. आई एम telling you that speaking is important for learning any language, any new language. Listening is very important. Writing is also important. Reading is also important. I have told how to read, how to write, what to write, how to do listening practice, how to start speaking, how to gain confidence, how to stay motivated all the times, how to practice every day. I have told everything related to English language. I have told everything which is important. All the things I have told. But execution depends on you. If you are not executing the things that I have told, if you are not executing the steps that I have told, nothing is going to work. Nothing is going to work. केवल सुनने से everything cannot be solved. Everything cannot be solved by only by listening. Until we take action, we cannot achieve anything. We will have to take actions. सोचो कम, करो ज़्यादा. That is the very good dialogue that I have told here. If you are just thinking about learning this language and not taking any action, this is not your task. This is not your deal. Break the deal. मत learn करो. Don't learn. Don't start learning. मेरा क्या जाता है? मेरा क्या जा रहा है भाई? I can say you, I can advise you, I can only motivate you, inspire you. I cannot make you learn this language. I cannot speak for you. That is the reality. If you are just looking for motivation and inspiration and everything, what is important, what to do, what are the steps of learning this language, everything you are looking for, but you are not taking any actions. You have taken down the steps, the strategies that you have to follow for learning this language in your diary, but you are not executing them. Until you execute them, you cannot speak good English, you cannot learn this language. Whether you are giving enough time, whether you are taking a lot of time. There are many comments they have passed. They have commented on my videos comment section. They have said, I have given a lot of time. I have practiced a lot. I can understand English, but cannot speak. Because they are not pure. They are kidding themselves. They are not practicing in a good manner. They are just focusing only 3 steps. That is listening, writing, reading. But they are not practicing. Because for practicing, it is a big deal. The main task comes when you have to speak. Everything easy. We just have to listen, read and write at home. We can do easily. But when it comes about practicing, that is tough. We will have to get ourselves out from our comfort zone for speaking. We cannot do. I know you cannot do, because you have been in a very comfortable zone and you don't have the guts. You don't have. You don't. You because you don't really want to learn this language. You don't want to learn this language. You are just saying in your mind. Just only the thoughts are coming to your mind, but you really don't want this language. So clear your why. Why is it going to be important language for you? Why is it important? For government exams, for speaking, for gaining confidence, for public speaking, for any interview. So just clear your why. Why do you want to learn this language? If your why is clear, then you must start learning. Then you must start executing the steps in your daily life. Execution is important rather than thinking, rather than strategies. The execution is important. Strategies can be made by so many guys. We can make a lot of strategies. For example, when we are making timetable every day, we are getting motivated. Like me, I was motivated some days ago. I made a timetable that was unrealistic. I made, but I could not complete. I could not accomplish that timetable. That was hypothetically wrong. That was unreachable easily. I made, but I could not complete. So just make the accomplishable tasks that you can complete and learn. And always believe on execution. Execution will make you a strong man. The execution will make you fluent. That will boost your confidence as well. Okay, so I think you have got my point. You have got it if you have got it. So please comment on my video that yes, I have got this, that execution is important. I will execute the steps that everyone is talking about, that I have taken down in my diary. I will execute them and learn this language very soon. Comment and subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.